Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. So today I'm going to be doing a nail video, and these nails are the static nails, and these nails are so pretty. They're a French tip, they're a pink and white, they have a little bit of glitter, and they have a rounded tip. Now they do seem to be a little bit long for me, so I am going to trim the tip of these nails, and then I'm going to try to keep the rounded edge, so I'll just kind of go around, I will go around the top to try to follow the tip on these. Now I won't be using the glue that comes with these static nails. I'll be using my super glue, the original super glue that I use all the time, and I swear by this glue. It keeps the nails on for at least a week. Now you can get a longer manicure if the nails start to lift a little bit or pop off. You can glue them back on. I typically will keep my set on for a week and then put a new set on, just because I like the variety and I like to change things up. And that's the beauty of these glue-on nails, because it's inexpensive. You can do it in 10 minutes at home, and you don't have to go to the salon and get your nails done professionally, and it doesn't cost $30, $40, $60 to get them done every 2 weeks. Now, one of the questions I get frequently is if these nails damage my natural nails. I removed my last set of nails yesterday and basically just gave them a little bit of a file to take the glue, any remaining glue, but I did not file my natural nail to the point of damaging the nail. And the nails, they do get a little tiny bit soft, softer than they would be if I didn't use nails. I usually try to keep them longer than this, because it's extra support for the nails when I have them on. If I'm opening a can or something, it's actually my natural nail that's taking the pressure or the force, so it won't damage or pop off my press-on nail. But they were kind of breaking at the tips, so I did kind of trim them down and give them a file. But you can see, I'm going to show you now, I did nothing to these nails except, like I said, I filed the glue using an emery board. I just filed any of the excess glue that was remaining. I trimmed them up and gave them a file across the top and around the edges, but I didn't put any of my olive oil. I didn't put anything. I used hand cream. And I did, put the hand cream into the nails and the cuticles. But this is just one day of washing my hands, taking a shower, and they really are not in bad shape at all. You can see, sorry, I cut myself this weekend cooking. I gotta slow down. But you can see my nails are not in bad shape. Even the thumbs, which tend to get more beat up because they tend to have more glue. But they are for my standards, from what I'm used to in the past, using salon nails, going to the salon and getting my nails done, this is fine. If I went for a few more days without nails, my nails would be great. And if I put some olive oil in there, and if I trimmed them down for a week, they would grow back just as strong as they ever were. So that all being said, I'm going to get these out of the package. I'm going to pick my sizes. And as I said in previous videos, you want to get the nail just a tiny bit smaller than your nail bed, because if it's larger, the nail will not adhere right on the edges, which will cause it to lift and you won't keep it on as long. So getting the nail the proper size and then holding it down for 20 seconds. You can do it longer than that if you want, but at least 20 seconds to make sure the glue is set. I also don't wash my hands for about 30 minutes to an hour after doing this, so that I don't, you know, ruin the glue right away. Once you wait that length of time, I mean, these nails really don't go anywhere. Obviously, if you catch it on something, it's going to lift the nail off. These are not the salon acrylics, but if you're careful, and you know, when you first start using these nails, your hands, you're not used to having them on, so you might catch them a lot and they might fall off a lot at first. Don't get discouraged. The more you use them and the more you get used to them, the longer you will be able to keep your manicure on. All right, guys, I'm gonna take the camera down and put some music to this, and I will speed it up and we'll see how they come out. All right, guys, they are done, and I do like them. Now, they are really transparent, so there are some air bubbles that I could not help. I think that that will dissipate with time. This hand is less air bubbles. And the other thing is the silver embellishment that went around the top. You can see that because I filed it and trimmed it, that the embellishment doesn't go all the way across the top anymore. But really, when you look at these nails, you see the embellishment that goes, you know, across the tip, and you really don't notice that the one that goes around the tip is missing. And no one's gonna really look that close at my nails to be able to see that, and they won't see the air bubbles either. You can see when you're looking at my hands, you don't see the air bubbles like you would if I looked at them up close. Now the thumbs have a pretty prominent air bubble there, but again, it's so wide around the nail that most people aren't going to notice that. I might see that because, I'm looking right at my nails, plus I know it's there, but otherwise people aren't going to see that. It's just going to look like I have a beautiful different kind of French. Now, I love the way these nails are placed in the box. It makes it very, very easy to find your size and to match your sizes. So these static nails have won me over in that respect. It makes finding your nails so easy and so quick. So yeah, I actually like these a lot. I love the manicure. I love how it came out. I'm excited to have these on for the next week. I definitely had to trim them down. There was no way I was going to be able to do anything with that length of nail. But I know some of you love the longer length nail and you have no problem doing all of your daily activities with that longer length. So yeah, these will be perfect for you. All right, guys. Well, I hope that you have enjoyed this nail video. Thank you so much for coming along. I am so glad that you are here. Thursday's video is going to be a recipe I'm going to try out of that cookbook magazine, recipe magazine that I picked up at the Dollar Tree last week. So yeah, come back and check that out. It's gonna be a delicious spaghetti, bacon, and chicken recipe. So I'm excited to try that tonight for Thursday's video. So take care, everyone. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.